Have you ever looked down before and noticed these things? I did some research and apparently they're called hands. I'm about to show you exactly what they're for and how to use them. Hands are devices that are sometimes attached to the human body. They can be used to grab objects such as Pokemon cards or badminton rackets or toilet paper. They can also be used as weapons of mass destruction with their punching abilities, and also as a form of communication with other people. I will now show you a visual demonstration of how to use your hands. If you don't have your own hands available, then it's best to borrow someone else's. Once you have obtained your hand, you'll then need to try and pick up an object. I will be trying to pick up a pen. In order to pick up the pen, you'll need to tap on your hand. This will gently alert the hand that it needs to be doing something. So let's try and do that now. Oh look, it's becoming aware that it needs to do something, but as you can see, it doesn't really know what to do at the moment. So let's try tapping on the hand again. Okay, it looks like it knows now that it needs to pick something up. Let's see if it can try and pick up the pen. Maybe one more tap should help. Oh yes, here we go. No hand, what are you doing? That's the door. You can't pick that up. Hand, what are you doing? You're going to pull the door off the hinges. Stop it. Now what you'll need to do is try and pry the hand off the door. This is the door. Help! Help! It's stuck. My hand's stuck on the door. It's not coming off. I'm slipping. I'm falling down. I'm falling off my chair. Help me. Help. Help. Please. Please help me. Well, at least the hand came off the door. That's a partial success. As you can see, the hand failed to pick up the pen. That is because it is not easy to pick up an object if you haven't done it before with your hands. But that is where practice comes in. So we'll try again. Hopefully now the hand will be able to pick up the pen. So wish me the best of luck. Here goes. So again, what you're going to want to do is to gently tap on your hand to alert it that it needs to be doing something. Okay, I think it's got the message. It knows it needs to pick up the pen this time. So let's see if it can do that. Set. So you're doing well, hand. Yes, yes, good job. Now you need to move towards the pen. Yes. Yes, you're doing really well. That's it. So now touch the pen. Yes. Very good. Now you need to grip it. Grip the pen. That's a good hand. That's a very good hand. Now you're going to want to lift it up. Use all your strength. Set. Yes. Yes, you're fighting gravity really well. Get it a bit higher. See if you can. What a good hand you are. That's it. You've done so well. Really good work. That's it. And as you can see, the hand has successfully... You dropped the pen. We need to keep practicing. And that covers picking up an object with your hand. Let's move on to hand communication. So in order to perform a hand communication, what you're going to want to do is to raise your hand just like this and move it from side to side, just like this. This is known as waving, and it's one of the best forms of hand communications out there. So I definitely recommend learning this move if you haven't already.
Another hand communication technique that I like to use quite frequently is this one, and if it's done correctly, then it should get blurred. Yes, right on cue. It's completely blurred. It may take a little while for your hand to get blurred yourself, so you want to keep on practicing this one, and then hopefully you'll get to quite an advanced blurred level. The very final thing that I will show you with your hands is that you can actually walk on your hands, and I'll show you how that is done right now. So in order to walk on your hands, what you're going to want to do is to move into a nice open space. Thankfully, I have a beautiful nice open space over there, so let's move into that space right now. I am successfully in the space. Now from here, what you're going to want to do is to go down to the floor, just like this, and then you're going to want to walk on your hands, and that's done like this. So you use all your weight on your hands, and then you just start walking. And it's really good because when you walk on your hands, then you don't need to use your feet ever again. And that's what I do quite frequently. I don't need to use my feet anymore, which is good because they get to rest. Resting is quite important. And that completes the tutorial on how to use your hands. Hopefully now you'll be able to use your hands like a professional. I'm going to go now and continue using my hands, so goodbye everybody, see you. Okay, so hand, what I want you to do is to take me to the shops. Okay, you need to take me to the shops now. Oh yeah, I need to tap on the hand, of course. You're not really doing anything. You need to take me to the shops. Please take me to the shops, hand. What are you doing? Take me to the shops. Come on. Ow. You just hit me. Oh! The hand! It hit me. Why'd you do that? Oh! Oh my god. Oh my god, it attacked me. Stop it! Stop it, it's hurting me! Ow! 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 Why did it do that? Yo, high five, bro!